Are you still thinking of a Halloween costume? This makeup tutorial, or I like to call this makeup lace face makeup, might inspire you. So let's get started. You are going to need anywhere between 6 to 8 O-rings. You could always use more or less, depending on how you want to go and do this makeup. Put down liquid latex. It's going to make it a little bit easier for the top two, just to kind of prep the surface of your skin. Now take some cotton, dip it in liquid latex, put it through one of the O-rings, and then go and stick it to your forehead. One coat of liquid latex really isn't going to fully and totally do it, so as this dries, go and put on the second one. Really hold it in place. And what you're going to want to do is just continue to put the other ones on, wait for everything to fully and totally dry, and go back over all of these with a bit more liquid latex at the edges. This is going to go and reinforce everything and really keep it in place. You will also definitely need this because when you go and lace these up, it's going to go and pull otherwise. For the ones on your nose, after it's dry, go and put down more liquid latex, and then continue to go and add more. I did 4 and 4, so 8 in total. Reinforced this 3 times with more liquid latex, waited for everything to dry, and now it is safe to go and lace. If you've ever had Converse shoes, that's pretty much how you're going to go and lace this. So take a piece of ribbon, go and pull it through one of the pieces, make sure you're holding the metal O-ring, and then go and pull it through the other one that is right across from it. Do this nice and slowly, make sure you're holding the other O-ring, and yes, it got stuck on my nose, which it probably will get stuck on your nose as well too, depending on the type of ribbon that you use. This one is pretty stiff, it's not very flowy. And after that is through, continue to go and lace. Like I said, like if you've ever had Converse shoes, that's exactly how you're lacing this. So go and cross each piece of the ribbon over, and then go all the way down to the last one at the bottom. Now you're going to have 2 pieces that are just hanging there. After this is done, you can also put the ribbon over your nose before you get to the last one, and then go and follow up where the O-rings are with fake blood. Make sure to do this on both sides. Wait for everything to fully and totally dry, and your makeup should look like this. Now I think this makeup is pretty interesting, honestly, and here's a closer look of it. It's just weird, and it's going to add pretty much a little bit of extra pizzazz maybe to a doll makeup that you want to do for Halloween, but I am posting 31 days of Halloween makeup, special effects makeup, and also spooky makeup. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.